Alright, today I'll be showing you guys how to replace a screen on a Lenovo Miix 700. It does not matter if it's the M7, the M5, or the M3. This particular one is an M7. So how you get started with this is you're going to go ahead and remove the screws located on the back. There's a total of 6 screws to remove. Alright, now you want to just go ahead and stand it up upside down. You will need a pry tool. Very gently put the pry tool between the screen and the case, and you'll see it'll just pop up. Then you want to just work your way around. Nice and gentle. Don't put it in too deep so you do not break any of the connectors. And then the other side. Alright, now I want to go ahead and gently pull back the screen and lift upward just ever so slightly, and it will go ahead and lift up. As you see, this connector has already disconnected. There's one more which is responsible for touch. You will need to go ahead and disconnect. Let me go ahead and flip this. Alright. And then that one comes off as well. Here's the new tested screen that we will be installing. You want to go ahead and basically reconnect it. Alright, now you want to just go ahead and close this. And starting at the top, go around and push down so the pins pop back in. Now go ahead and flip it over and you'll be putting in the 6 screws that you took out earlier. Alright, awesome. Now you've replaced the screen on a Miix 700.